If your LG front load washer is overfilling, not draining, or giving error codes, the pressure sensor might be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and in today's video, I guide you through testing and replacing this essential part. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliances. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a multimeter, and a pair of pliers. Also, please remember that safety comes first. With your washer plugged in and the cycle started, allow the water to start filling. We're moving to the console, pressing and holding the steam and temperature buttons at the same time. This tells us what the pressure sensor is identifying. We are looking for a reading on the display that is at or less than 21.3 when the washer is full of water. If the reading is more than 21.3, the pressure sensor is the likely cause of failure. We can verify this by turning the washer off, unplugging the power cord, and testing the sensor. We're grabbing our Phillips screwdriver and removing the 2 screws securing the top panel. Now the top panel can be moved back and lifted up to be set to the side. We're setting our multimeter for resistance, which looks like an upside down horseshoe. Disconnecting the wires from the sensor, we're testing from pin 1 to pin 3 and should get a reading between 21 to 23 ohms. If the resistance is outside of this range, the pressure sensor has definitely failed. If you'd like a quick review about how to use a multimeter, we've put together a comprehensive tutorial for you, so check out the link in the description. To replace the pressure sensor, rotate the pressure sensor to pull it away from the side panel. Remove the pressure hose from the pressure sensor. Here's the old pressure sensor and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Connect the pressure hose and rotate the pressure sensor onto the side panel. We're connecting the wires to the pressure sensor. We're grabbing the top panel and sliding it into place, securing it with the screws we removed at the beginning. Plug the power cord back in, and with that, we're done. Great job tackling your LG washer repair. We'd love to hear how your project turned out, so feel free to share your experience in the comments. If you discovered that you need a new pressure sensor after testing, visit AppliancePartsPros.com with your model number handy. Most orders arrive in just a few days. Thanks for letting us walk you through this process, and we look forward to helping you with your next repair.